How would you like to make 17% ROI in 9 minutes with AI trading? Want to see how easy this is? Then carry on watching. Okay, so I'm starting my trading session. Today is Thursday, the 7th of August at 10:23. And you can see I've got $82.10, and I've put that into my money management sheet here, $82.10. And it's saying the first trade I do is $5.60. So what I'm looking for is to do my first trade, and let's have a look at my indicators here. And I'm going to place my first trade. So I just got a win there of $8.57. So I take that over to my risk management sheet and I put a capital W in there. I'm going to repeat that process again because I've just made $4.48, but I don't want to end now. So I'm just going to get rid of that W and we're going to do another trade. So as you can see, my balance has gone up to 85.07. Let's just have a look through the charts. I'm going to place a trade on this chart in a moment. I'm going to place that in there. And we got $5.60 saying that the price is going to go up. I got another win there. And so what I need to do is to come up the top here. I've now got $90.22. Now, if I put that in as another win, it's going to tell me to stop trading. But I don't want to stop trading. So I'm going to put in here $90.22. And so it's now telling me to do a trade of $6.15. So I'm now going to look for another trade. I've just made the screen a bit smaller so I can see all my indicators on there. But let's have a look through the charts. To be honest, I'm quite liking the look of this. Looks like it could be interesting. So I've got my three indicators. I've got these dotted lines. I've got this squiggly line here and this line at the bottom. If you want to learn this stuff, below this video, you're going to find a link and it's going to take you over to this page. Pop your name and your email address in and I'll give you access to my free training course. This gives you access to all of my AI training because I not only do trading through it, I do other AI training as well to show you how to make money working online. And I'm going to place my trade. I made a loss there. So what I need to do is to come back to my chart here and put a loss in there. My risk management, put a loss. And it tells me now I've got to do 923. And I'll stay on the same chart. And I'm going to place another trade on this chart. Now what you're looking for your trading session is I'm looking for 4 wins in a row. Now I had 2 wins in a row. So that one was a loss. I'm going to put my loss in there. Now I've got to do 12.98. I'm going to place my trade on here. That was a win of 24.92. So I come back to my management here and I put in a win in there. Click enter. Now I've got to do a trade of 10.01. Place my trade on here. That was another win. So now that's the end of my trading session. So let's look at the time now. So 7th of August at 10:32. And I've now got a balance of 95.98. And if we take that to my percentage calculator, if you remember, I started the session today with 82.10. And this is day 1 of my trading. And I've got 95.98. For that trading session, I've got just under 17% ROI. Now, if you want to learn this stuff, below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to this page. I'm going to then send you an email. I'm going to send you the link to this page. Now, what you can do, there's a short video there. Watch that video, but you'll see it says make money with AI trading. You can either click that button or if make money with AI videos. So if you want to make money working online with make it from videos, you've got that. You can always come back to this page and do both of the free training courses that I've got for you. So you've got make money with AI trading or make money with AI videos. You choose. But to get access to that, you need to fill out this page. If you're doing the trading, I'll also give you a copy of my money management sheet here, which is a must. You follow the rules that's on here. You get 4 wins, you stop. That's the way to do it in a trading session. And then you can come back to it an hour later or the following day. So I started this trading session. You can see that clearly at the beginning of the video at 10:23. I ended the trading session at 10:32. That's 9 minutes later. And I made an ROI of just under 17%. Now, if you want to learn how to do this stuff, make sure you click the link below this video. Come over to this page, fill out your details. I'll send you the link to this page where you can start your journey from making money with AI, because AI assists me in making these trades that I've just showed you in this video. You have a great day. Click the link, pop over to here, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.